Hey everybody, it's Neil, and if you look at my hair, it's actually starting to grow back a little bit, but I went and had some hair transplant stuff done, and they said to go ahead and put Minoxidil on it, so I got myself Minoxidil. So let's go ahead and check this out and see what we got here. So we have two little bottles inside of this here, and let's see, and we just do it, you open it up like this, and that to do it, and then you put it on. Let me just try it here. Is it just, oh yeah, it's just like a little drop of liquid. So you can get it in there, rub it around into your scalp. I feel it's wet, but that's kind of how it works. And then you just rub it in there and do that daily on the daily. It has Minoxidil 5% and Biotin 0.5%. And so that's what you do. And then you just rub it on and hopefully it will encourage the hair growth. So that's what I got it for. So very cool. I like it. Thumbs up. Very cool. And you get two bottles.